In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave comments in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser. Make sure you are in the file and on the specific page you want to discuss, so your feedback lands exactly where your team needs it. Next, enter comment mode. You can do this in two quick ways. Press the C key on your keyboard or click the comment icon in the top toolbar. When comment mode is active, your cursor changes so you know you are ready to place feedback. Choose where your comment should live. Click once on the canvas to drop a pin that points to a precise spot like a button or a label. If your feedback is about a broader area, click and drag to highlight a region. This is especially helpful when you want to reference a section, such as a card group or an entire header. If you need accuracy, zoom in before placing the pin so it's attached to the exact element you mean. Type your message in the box that appears. Be specific and actionable so your teammates can respond effectively. Include brief context, like what you are evaluating or the goal behind the suggestion. If your thought runs long, organize it into short sentences to keep it scannable. If someone needs to see this right away, mention them by typing the @ symbol followed by their name or email. This sends a notification directly to that person, helping your comment get timely attention. Use mentions thoughtfully so the right people are looped in without creating noise. To add tone and clarity, include emojis. Click the smiley face icon to browse, or type a colon followed by the emoji name to search quickly. Emojis can soften critiques or signal urgency in a friendly way. When words aren't enough, attach visuals. Click the image icon to upload up to 5 images or GIFs. This is great for sharing references, before and after comparisons, or quick motion cues. Keep attachments clear and relevant, so reviewers can grasp the point at a glance. When you are happy with your message, post it by clicking the send icon or pressing enter. Your comment appears on the canvas where you placed it, making it easy for collaborators to find and respond. This keeps your feedback tied to the design itself, reducing confusion and centralizing the conversation. That's it. Thanks for watching.